Mathematical symbols are numerous, and not all of them are available on our alphanumeric keyboards. To insert symbols, Lambda 2.0 offers 4 different modes. Using the keyboard. For the most frequently used ones, it is best to use those already on the keyboard and via a hotkey combination. The latter mode requires an initial memory effort, but then entry is very fast. Via F5. If you know the name of the symbol to be inserted, use the dynamic menu. Press F5 and write, even partially, the name of the element. The list below is quickly reduced to a few elements, from which it is easy to choose the one of interest that will be inserted into the work child by pressing Enter. Via menu. If you do not know the name, you can search for the item among those in the corresponding group, for example set theory, logic, analysis, etc. Open the Insert menu and then choose the group. Using icons. Finally, sighted users, such as teachers, can enter symbols using the graphic, icon-based menu bar. These 4 insertion systems are described in detail in the chapter Inserting Symbols and Structure Markers. Here is a simple example. We must write the formula more or less root of phi. As can easily be verified, none of the 3 symbols are present in the keyboard. In Lambda 2.0, the plus or minus symbol is easy to enter, because all you have to do is type the symbols in succession, plus and minus. On the screen the 2 symbols will appear one after the other, but for Lambda they are considered a single object. The voice of the synthesis pronounces them together, and it is impossible to separate or delete a single one. By pressing the arrow, the cursor moves from the beginning of the first character directly to the end of the second, i.e., it considers them to be a single character, and so the del key is sufficient to delete them both. Other symbols are composed in this way, such as, for example, less than or equal to, or very minor. See section, double symbols. The root symbol can be entered by typing F5 and writing root. Actually, as you can see, you only have to write, in the window that opens with F5, just root to already have a very compact list. See, searching the list of elements. But the root is generally an element that is used very often, and it is worthwhile to learn the shortcut keys. Ctrl+R while holding down Ctrl press R. See, list of symbols with the default profile hotkeys. The symbol phi can also be entered with F5, but if you often use Greek letters, it is easy to memorize the procedure that works for all of them. You type a prefix, Ctrl+G, followed by the corresponding Latin letter, in our case the letter F. Finally, this is how the formula appears on the screen. Note that it appears to consist of 5 characters, but in reality the Lambda elements entered are only 3. To realize this, just move the cursor step by step with the arrow key, right or left.